Hello and welcome back to Computing with Corey. In our last tutorial we made a very basic HTML web page. Now I'm going to show you how to spice that up a little bit by adding what is known as a cascading style sheet or a .css file. So what we'll need to do is create a new document. This new document is going to be the cascading style sheet, which is going to govern all of the dressing up, if you will, of the web page. So the HTML document will basically give you all of the data and the structure that the data is laid out in, but without cascading style sheet it looks really ugly, like we saw. Not much going on here, it doesn't catch the eye, it's pretty ugly and very basic. So cascading style sheet, what we'll need to do. So we're going to create a new document, and what I like to do immediately after creating the new document is just doing a file, save as, and then we'll save it in the same place as our website, as well, the HTML portion of it anyway, and we'll name it style.css. Yes, replace it. I already had an existing one from a test that I did prior to making this. So now, the reason why I did that is because when we type in Notepad++, the fact that the Notepad++ knows that it's cascading style sheet, it will actually help us pull in all the methods and parameters that we need and whatnot. So, in the HTML document, as we saw in our last video, we named these things. We named a head, we named the body, we named the title. So, basically what that did is it created an object. It opened this body object. Anything inside this body object will have to follow whatever style rules are laid out in the cascading style sheet. So basically you just type in body and then an open curly bracket and a closed curly bracket, and we'll say background color, and that's why I like to save it, because instead of typing it all out you can just type in BAC and you got all of these additional options to choose from. So background color, and I'm thinking orange. Orange is my favorite color. So that's all we have to do, and then we save it. So now this style sheet basically says for all of the body, make the background of it orange. So now we just need to link that style sheet to the HTML document, and we do that by inserting a link reference code. So link rel equals, and in quotes, style sheet. The type of style sheet is going to be a text /CSS. And whenever you link something, it's always going to be an href. So href is equal to the name of the file that we want to link here. So in this case, it's going to be style.css. And that's it. You can just save this and open up the web page, and if we do a refresh, the background of the body should turn orange. And there you have it. Now, if the style sheet was located elsewhere, we would have had to have put the file path for it, but since it's located at the exact same place as our HTML document, that's it. So I will provide a link to W3 Schools, which will give you a ton of different options for CSS code, and I mean, there's really a lot out there if you're into self-learning, which hopefully you are. So yeah, that'll be included in the description below, and I believe in my next tutorial I'll teach you guys how to add an image to the website. So you can pull an image from a file and have it appear in some way, shape, or form on the web page. So if you like this video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends. Thank you very much.